Jigga.
Another guilty beat.
Jigga boys. Yeah. When she stepped in looking like a snack. Man, damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. And you know it was never luck. When I stepped in looking like a snack. The girl damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. Yeah, we know it was never luck.
Stepped in looking like a snack. Big boy, can you handle that? Take it down, 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 ride you like a Cadillac. Steady heard on the best, yeah, baby, that's a fact. After two, tell me what you wanna do. Me and you, no one has to come true. Say your grace, eat it with some gratitude. Yeah, I'm full of attitude. Said I'm looking like a snack. Wish your pay position, wanna hit it from the back. Pretty long legs, and you know that ass fat. Pack you too big, had to put some in the back. It's in the back, and we never lack. Niggas wanna stick to the kid like tack. Flow like water, and you know I spit crack. And you like the way I back it up like that. Like that, nothing that you can't hack.
When she stepped in looking like a snack. Man, damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. And you know it was never luck. When I stepped in looking like a snack. The girl damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. Yeah, we know it was never luck.
Oh, you think I'm pretty pappy? I got this Marbet for my nigga Laddie. In the Addison Lee, but my name ain't Maddie. Shut down anywhere, even Abu Dhabi. Ooh. I got the type of wine that will probably break spines. You know I handle mine, heard it through the grapevine. The way I bracket niggas wanna be my Valentine. Baby, take time, I know I'm looking like a snack. Wish your big position, wanna hit it from the back. Pretty long legs, and you know that ass fat. Pack you too big, had to put some in the back. It's in the back, and we never lack. Niggas wanna stick to the kid like tack. Flow like water, and you know I spit crack. And you like the way I back it up like that. Like that, nothing that you can't hack.
When she stepped in looking like a snack. Man, damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. And you know it was never luck. When I stepped in looking like a snack. The girl damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. Yeah, we know it was never luck.
Just give me the long thing, no stunting. Pull up close and show me something. Round and tick like a dumpling. Push up on it, no fronting. Give me the long thing, no stunting. Pull up close and show me something. Round and tick like a dumpling.